Hi, I'm Jeanne Fiorini. This is not a tarot tip, but rather an announcement about an event which I am hosting in April. I'm very excited and happy to say that the fabulous and witty and extremely knowledgeable Rachel Pollack will be in Portland, Maine for a day-long workshop on Saturday, April 18th of this coming year. Probably many of you have at least one of Rachel's books on your tarot shelf, if not more than one. Rachel is the author of 41 books. She has created several tarot decks. Most notably, her most famous work, I think, probably is 78 Degrees of Wisdom, which some people consider to be one of the Bibles of modern tarot. So Rachel Pollack will be in Portland, Maine on Saturday, April 18th for a day-long seminar. There'll be 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours in the afternoon of lecture, of hands-on working with the tarot, of sharing the love and enthusiasm of the tarot system with other people. The price for the event is $95 US dollars, a really extremely good deal for the level of tarot wisdom that you're likely to receive. Now, I know that many of you who have subscribed to the tarot tips live in places where it's not going to be feasible for you to attend this event. But for anyone who is interested in traveling to Portland, Maine in early spring or mid-spring, there is also a very reasonable hotel rate for those who might need lodging. So please visit my website if you're interested in more information or if you're ready to register for this event. Like I said, it's $95 US for the whole day. I also go to my TarotWorks website. You'll see the tab or the link for Rachel Pollack's seminar. Just click on that and that will give you all the information that you might need. Okay, also please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or anything about the event. So, looking forward to seeing some of you there. Should be a very rich, entertaining, and thoroughly enjoyable event. I'm very pleased to be hosting it and to be able to bring Rachel Pollack to Portland, Maine.